G'day and welcome back to another gas walkthrough. Today we're looking at the 20th of August, Bust a Move by Philip Newman. Philip's one of our studies here at Gas HQ, so my name is Bill Murphy. G'day. Yes, it's not normally my day, and you will see a video from me doing a Clover puzzle tomorrow, but Clover is on a plane and is currently indisposed, so I'm stepping in to just, take care of things for her. Damn, it's nice to have friends. Anyway. We had Gas Genuinely Approachable Sudoku. We create, set, and solve genuinely approachable Sudoku. And yeah, we do that for you every day. You will find the link to today's puzzle in the description down below. You will also find hat times. 2 hats for a very fast time, 1 hat for a pretty fast time, and everyone gets a dinosaur because we love you weekly. Now, listen. This one is... I'm gonna get some comments today. It is, still approachable. It is on the tougher side for us. We made, well, when we say we, I made Philip do 3 different versions of this before I found one where I was like, I'd be happy to, like, call this gas. That's still, it's still complex, by gas standards, but it does not mean you can't do it. So, let's talk about the rule set. So this is Bust Sudoku. What does bust mean? So, normal Sudoku rules apply. Each box, each row, and each column must contain the digits 1 to 9 once each. Now, we have some outside clues. Now, what does an outside clue in the context of this grid mean? It means that we have a 4 clue here. It means that I'm going to turn on pen tool today. So, it means that I'll read the rules first. A number x outside the grid is the minimum possible value for which the sum of the first x digits in the corresponding direction is greater than 21. Philip's listed an example, but I'm going to kind of walk you through because I know I'm going to get some comments today, so I'm just going to do a couple of examples so that way you can kind of get your idea into the headset for what this puzzle entails. So, there's a couple of good examples. There's a couple of really simple examples, but what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go, so, it means that these 4 cells, whatever they are, is going to be less than 21. And then that 5th cell from that direction is going to be greater than 21. It is like playing 21 or Blackjack at the casino. That's the whole inspiration for what this rule set is. And if you kind of internalize it like that, it should be a little bit easier. But let's do an example. I'm going to pick some digits at random. That's 12. That's, okay, so 8 and 4 is 12. What else can I put there? 1. 8, 4, and 1 is 13. We are still less than 21. Now, if I put a 6 here, 5 here, 8, 4, 12. Oh, no, I wanted something higher. I'm going to make this a 7, 3. I'm trying to figure out a way to explain this one without giving away what the puzzle is. So 8, let's go over here. Okay, so 5, 8, 9. That probably might even be what this is. Okay, that does not work. Why doesn't that work? 5 plus 8 is 13, plus 9 is 22, which means we've actually gone over the total of 22 in 3 cells. So, if I change that to a 7, 5 plus 8 is 13, plus 7 is 20. That still doesn't work, actually, because that makes 21. We are not over 22 by the 4th one. So probably that's gonna be what it is. No, it's not. Just doing quick maths to prove that I know what I'm doing. No, that is fine. What am I talking about? So 5 plus 9 is 14, plus 7 is 21. So we are still under 21. And then that is an additional 1, which makes 22. Therefore, we have busted. Now, I know I haven't maybe done the best job of explaining it, but you're going to hear me talk out a lot of my thought processes today. Those couple of examples of, like, if I were to try doing this, that wouldn't work because at no point by 4 I haven't reached a total of 22 or greater. And by doing something like 8 and 9, I go over 22 by 3 cells. Those are the sorts of the two things that you want to be thinking about when you're trying to solve today's puzzle. That's it. That's all you need to know to actually do today's puzzle. So let's get into it. Now, up here, we definitely have a good old restriction going. 3 needs to hit 22, but if it can't have 6 and 5, 4 plus 8 would be 12, so this has to be 7 and 8. 7 here tells us which way around these go. It's likely that this is pretty similar, but we don't know that for sure. So, what I'm actually going to do is do these ones. Now, what are these ones? If you don't already know your triangular numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 is a very common one, which is 21. Which means that for us to not go bust by from the first 6 digits, they must be 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, what that means is I know that every single one of those must be 7, 8, 9. This must be 7, 8, 9. Oh, sorry. This must be 7, 8, 9 because I've got a 7 clue over here. I can do 8 and 7, 9 here. And this is also 7, 8, 9 across the middle. I can do a little bit more with that. I can put 4 there, 6 there, which actually puts 6 here. Now, the 5 sees that cell. I didn't even see that. I don't think I saw that when I was doing it. Oh, 2 there makes this a 1 and a 5. And this is now a 3 and a 6. And now this is a 4 and a 5. This is a 2 and a 3. 4 here means that this becomes 4. This is 1. Now, 4, yeah. Let's do some more. I'll come back to that one in a second, but 3 there means that this is 9, this is 3. We can put 1 in one of those cells, 2 in one of those cells, 3 in one of these cells, and then the 6 goes in one of these cells. Alright, let's do some more actual bust logic. Now, 5 and 1, the reason I had a lot of trouble with this without, like, giving it away is that for this to hit 22, it needs to either be, 7, 9, or, it needs to have a total of 22 at least. Now, for it to bust here. So, oh, actually, no, completely different way of looking. Yeah. So this has to be 7 and 9. Because 5 plus 9 plus 7 is 5 plus 9 plus 7 is 21. This one needs to bust it. So because that needs to bust it, we can put the 8 there. Now, 3 plus 2 is 5. Now, this needs to hit a total of 22, so the only way that I can do that is via this. 17 plus 5 makes 22. That's the absolute maximum that can go in those cells. Now, where does 3 go in column 4? Because it can't go in one of those cells. It has to be here. That's 3 and 6. 5 can't go in one of those two cells, so that's 5 and 4. This is 4 and 6. This is 8 and 3. Now, this is 4 and 6, and this is 5 and 7. Now, what else do... I don't one of the really things that I'm very careful of whenever I do a bust Sudoku is I'm so paranoid about, like, making a faulty assumption. So, if you see something that's jumping out at you, please be aware that I am being deliberately very cautious today, because I don't want... do I know enough to put... Oh, yeah, I can just put a 9 there. That's a 7, that's a 9. I have a lot of 8s. I do have a lot of 8s. Do I have a lot of 7s? Not enough 7s, but... this is either a 6 5. Oh, or, yeah, it is a 6. Lowest it could be is a 5 to hit 22. Alright, now, do I know enough about ones yet? No. 2. Alright, I should probably do some more logic. Alright, what is... So, actually, I'm trying to look at the clues I haven't necessarily tackled yet. What we do... This is 1, 2, 3, 4. I can clean... I'm going to clean up the pencil marks a little bit. Now, 9 plus 14. Oh, not particularly. That's okay. Now, 1, 2. So this is 8. Oh, that's a 5. This is a 7. 1. Okay. And I put anything about 2 in there. Alright, so 1, 3, 8. So 1, 3, and 8 is words. 13. So I can't put a 1 in there, so what can I put? Now, if I have a 1 in one of those, lowest digit I could put is a 2. If I don't put the 2 in there, 5 plus 6 is going to be 5. 11 plus 11 is 22. Yeah, so I would bust. So I need to put 2 in one of those cells. And then, do I know anything about 6s? 8, 8, 4. Yeah. Now. Oh, this is just a 5 here. This is a 3 or a 4. 1, 4, and 6. One of those two is a 4. Gosh. Alright. This is 14. Oh, okay, wait. That's a better way to do it. So this is absolutely, as a minimum, 15. If this is 7, yeah, that can't be 7, because that would be 22. That's more like it. So if that can't be 7, this has to be 7. 5 and 7. There we go. That was more what I needed. Do I know anything about 6s yet? Not really. But 6 can never be in one of these cells. Yeah, because 7 plus 9 is 16, plus another 6 makes 22. We would bust way too early. This is a 5-6 pair. This is 1, this is 2. Now, if we go the other way, 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 3 is 13, 14. 14. Yeah, I still don't quite know enough, but I think I might be able to just get there via Sudoku alone. That's a 1-4 pair, which makes this 6 and 4. Take the 4 out of there. 3 there, 1 there, 6 there. Alright. I'm gonna have to do Sudoku. I'm gonna have to use the variant, I think. That's fine. Why do they pay me the big bucks? This is a 5-6 pair. 2, 4, 5, 6. That's a 2. This is a 4, 6. So, the only clue we have not used is this one. Now, alright. So, let's try that one more time. I was trying to get around it, but this is 8 plus 2 is 14. Is that the only clue? Oh, hang on. Yep, cool. So, this is 6. Double check. Oh, no, I can use this one, I think. 8 plus 2 plus 9 plus 3 is... Oh, sorry, 8 plus 2... Yeah, this can't be a 4. That's fine. Yeah, nothing was getting done down there. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 9 is 19. This cannot be a 4. So that's a 1, that's a 4. 5, 1, 5, 6, 4. That's going to finish it off for us. Woo, this is a long one. Yeah, this is a long one, yeah, even by gas standards. But I hope that what I did was I actually really explained every step. Um, yeah, uh, I would love to say that I know tomorrow's is easier. It's a touch easier. It's also going to be pretty tricky. But the beautiful thing about gas is we do tend to fluctuate in both directions. So, with that, this has been Bust a Move by Philip Newman. My name is still Bill Murphy. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!